guys, welcome back to the channel, and thank you once again for joining me on this exciting video, because today what we're going to do the unboxing, application, and review of my favorite series, which is called the Sandstone series by OnePlus. So I have the OnePlus Sandstone case right here. It comes in two different colors. So before we begin, I'm going to get you guys to do two big things. First is to hit that subscribe button down below, and second of all, if you're planning on buying the Sandstone case, OnePlus phones, or anything from OnePlus, I'll leave my referral link down below for you to check out. Click on that, it'll take you to OnePlus, and you'll be able to save some money on your future OnePlus device. And the third exciting news that I have for you is I'm actually starting off a giveaway for my 10,000 subscriber. So for my 10,000 subscriber, I'm actually going to be giving a smartphone. I'm actually thinking about giving an iPhone away to my 10,000 subscriber. So if you want to be entered into that contest, two simple things: subscribe to the channel down below, which is this channel, and follow me on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter handle down below in the comment section, as well as over here. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter to enter. And the 10,000 subscriber that's on this YouTube channel will get the iPhone of choice, or even any other smartphone that he or she desires. So let's get into this. Let's first unbox this. So two different colors this case comes in. There's going to be this brand new color, is called the Rock Gray. The second color that's available with this series is going to be called the actual original Sandstone Black. Two different price tags for this. US pricing is $24.99. Canadian pricing is $34.99. Okay, pretty simple case. Let's take it out. I've always loved the OnePlus Sandstone case series for various reasons. Number one reason why I loved it is because of this right here. As you can feel it over here, it's much more durable and much more grippier than the other series that I have found. Now, as you know, we're doing the cases for the OnePlus 9 series. Review is coming out for this. I'm really excited to do the case unboxing and review for this special Droid case. So don't forget that. Hit that like button down below, and just quickly comment down below which one would you prefer, Sandstone or the Droid series. Personally, from the looks of it so far, I haven't opened this yet, but the Sandstone series, much better case. So now let's take a look at this case up close. You have your OnePlus logo up here, your cutouts for your cameras, and inside it's just plastic. You can hear that. So it's not a plush material like they have used in the past for those silicone series. That's something that I wish that OnePlus improves for the future Sandstone series. I've actually mentioned that in the past as well, that when I'm putting my phone in here, I kind of want to have that plush feeling that's found on the silicone series back then. Even on my iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case, it's a nice plush case inside. And personally, I prefer this over the plain plastic up here. This just feels a little bit more premium than just a blank plastic inside over here. Really nice case. And let's apply it to the phone. The way that I have learned is you come in from your left side and you just snap it in, and that's pretty much it. So this is the OnePlus Sandstone series. I would choose this one over the Droid case any single day because of the grip factor, because I feel like this one is going to be much more easy to hold, easy to take out of your pocket, and you're not going to be able to drop it as quickly as the Droid series or even just the phone by itself. This is what the OnePlus Series 9 series Sandstone case looks like. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this one down below. Would you prefer this color or the black color? Like I mentioned, they're calling this the Rock Gray color. I personally think it's more of a light blue color. On the sides you have, it's also sandstone. That's stone material. It's not like a rubberized material on the side. And then you have your alert sliders. At the top you have your antenna option. Okay, and on the left you don't have a cutout for your volume buttons. It's just covered. So I feel like as time goes on, as you use it more, I feel like this little plastic buttons over here may break or may pop out. So that's something that you should be a little bit aware of. At the bottom, it's going to be a clean precision cut because this is a case from OnePlus. You have your charging port over here, and then your speaker grills over here. It feels really premium to hold in the hand. It's a flush cutout, so for the cameras, as you can see, the cameras are protected while you're using the case, so the cameras aren't shooting out as you would find in certain cases. That's a big plus on OnePlus side. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this case, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the giveaway, as on the future videos, which are going to be the Droid case And let me know which one would you prefer, the Droid case, which is right here, or the Sandstone series case. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a good day. Goodbye.